Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a game-changing AI tool that will transform the way you create web interfaces. Imagine crafting stunning landing pages, sales pages, and complete invoicing systems with just a few words. Whether you're a web developer, entrepreneur, or simply looking to save time and money, this AI-powered marvel is about to revolutionize your world. Stay tuned to unlock the future of web design.
Hey everyone! Today I want to introduce you to an exciting new AI application called Visual.dev. This innovative tool can craft web landing pages, sales pages, and even an invoicing system's web app interface with just a single text prompt. Now, it's important to note that this application is currently in private alpha testing. To get access, you'll need to join the waiting list. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Joining the waiting list is easy. Simply click the button, enter your email, or use your Google account to sign in. Once you gain access to this AI application, you'll be amazed at what it can do. Let's take a look at an example. Someone here is creating a web form for cookie preferences, likely for their website. They achieve this by typing text prompts, guiding the AI to add the necessary elements to the interface. The versioning on the right-hand side shows each step of the process and the text prompts users input to add more HTML to this web UI. In the initial draft, the cookie preferences are quite straightforward. You can easily switch over to the HTML side. A noteworthy feature is that this AI tool generates styles for each HTML element, eliminating the need for extensive CSS work or manual color additions. By navigating through the newer versions, you can see how the AI refines the cookie preference form with additional text prompts. In the end, you'll have a more complete web form in the latest version. This AI tool is like having a chat with ChatGPT. You input your text to instruct the AI on what you need, and it instantly creates the HTML page for you. Remember the old days when we had to purchase templates from online marketplaces like ThemeForest for WordPress, or even hire freelancers to create web app UIs from scratch? Well, this AI tool saves you both time and money by quickly deploying web UI templates. Now, let's explore another example. This AI isn't limited to building a single HTML page. It can create an entire web application UI template like this invoicing system. Similar to ChatGPT, you can add text prompts after each AI generation to refine the results further. However, unlike ChatGPT, this AI tool generates the entire HTML page template right before your eyes. It's explicitly trained for this purpose. Look at the level of detail it achieves, even on a transaction page template. Although the buttons and functions are missing, this serves as an excellent starting point, saving you a lot of time compared to building the UI from scratch. Based on what I've seen in this invoice system demo, the AI makes logical choices. Pages like transactions, accounts, and taxation have highly detailed UI elements suitable for general usage. By examining how the user interacts with this UI template, you'll notice that they consistently add more text prompts to help the AI understand their requirements. With each version, the AI refines the template, adding more detail and improving its quality. Once your UI template is ready, you can click the Canvas button, revealing a black box with React and HTML code. All you need to do is copy and paste this HTML into your website or web application. Feel free to check it out. The Explore section showcases various other showcases. For instance, creating sales pages with pricing lists, something commonly found on many company websites, can now be done with a single text prompt. This AI tool streamlines these tedious tasks, saving an incredible amount of time. I hope this tutorial showcasing this remarkable AI tool has sparked some inspiration. That's a wrap for today's tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a fantastic day.